Hi, this is Butch Lieber. I'm a residential realtor with Uptown Realty in Phoenix, and this is your May market update. This month, I want to touch on three specific features of the market to give you a general sense of what's going on. We'll start with the overall market, and we'll look at the Cromford Index. The Cromford Index is a set of market indicators that we use to measure the balance of supply and demand in a market. It's adjusted for seasonal variations and is a really good indicator showing what's happening in the current market and what the short-term future looks like. So you can see here that the Cromford Index is currently over 100. That means we're in a seller's market. The supply index is showing a low supply, and the demand index is normal, and it's been increasing, showing that the market is really beginning to favor sellers. When the market moves into a seller's market, sellers are less willing to help buyers with costs. They're less willing to do repairs, and they often are getting close to sales price, and they're getting multiple offers. So it's a good market if you want to be a seller. But what's happening with the price? The Arizona Republic here, this is a screenshot from a list of recent real estate articles. They can't seem to make up their mind on where prices are heading. But according to this chart, we're definitely in a normal upward trend. There's no bubble, there's no extreme growth. It's a good, healthy market. But there's definitely an impact at the different price points in the market. Lower-end homes right now are selling very well, and the higher-end market is a little bit sluggish. One factor that we can look at to see what's really happening is how many of the listed homes are adjusting their sales price, and particularly adjusting their sales price down. The longer a home sits on the market, the more likely a seller is to lower the price. You can see by this chart that overall, we're pretty consistent on price changes across the board, across all different price ranges in the last few months. You can ignore the dip in November and December because all anybody thinks about then are turkey and gifts. But if we look only at the homes under $200,000, you'll see how price drops are falling. Homes are selling faster, so there's no need to reduce the price. From the $200,000 to the $500,000 price range, it's a normal market, normal activity. But if we look over $500,000, you'll see there's a real increase in price drops, showing the lack of movement at the high end. But the good news is the real estate market does have a trickle-up effect. A high level of activity at the lower end spurs growth at the higher end. Selling a home at $200,000 lets a buyer move up to their next home in the $250,000, $300,000 range. So I think we're in for a good ride in the real estate market. It's a really good time to sell, and it's a really good time to buy. If you want more information about the market, you have specific questions, or want to talk about your specific information, let's talk. My name is Butch Lieber. I'm a residential realtor, and I want to be your realtor.